Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create your enterprise project structure, which is called EPS, and I'll take you step by step on how to do it. When you open your Primavera P6, when you open the software, this is the home screen you will see. So how will you know that you are at the home screen? You will see projects up here. You understand? Enterprise project structure is the arrangement of all the projects in your organization. We have three levels of EPS, which are we have the root, we have the node, and we have the project itself. So now we are going to create it. To create EPS, if you come up here, you will see enterprise. You will click on it. You come down here to where we have enterprise project structure. Click on it as well. So as you can see, these are the names of the EPS you want to create. I'll click on this second one. I'll not click on the top one that says all initiative. I'll click on this second one. Then I'll come over here and click on add. When I click on add, it will create a new one, but it will bring itself down here. So now it is my responsibility to shift it up. How will I be able to do that? You will come over to your right hand side and you will see the arrow that says shift up. You click on that shift up. You keep clicking on it until it gets to this point. Are you seeing my screen? Till it gets to this point. So we'll start, putting the names. Yeah. So the name of this first EPS here is Skyline Infrastructure Group. So I'll copy it. I'll come over to my Primavera P6 and I'll paste it here. Yeah. This is the EPS ID CSPB1. So I'll copy it, come over to my Primavera P6 and I'll paste it. Yeah, I'll click on add again to add the second one, and I'll still bring it up, shift up. I'll shift it up. Now I want you to pay attention. I want this second one that we are about to create now to be under the first one. I don't want them to be on the same level. You understand? I want it to be under Skyline Infrastructure Group. So I'll come over to my right hand side. You see the arrow that says shift right. I'll click on it once. Have you seen my mouse pointer? I'll click on it once. So now we'll go ahead and add the names. So the name of the second EPS here is Transportation Division. Come over here and I'll paste it. The EPS ID is CSPB2. So we'll go ahead and add the third one. We'll click on add again. So if you notice something, when we click add for the third time, it now align itself, under the CSPB2. So we are going to leave it there. We are going to go ahead and add the name of the third EPS. And it says Bridge Construction Unit. I'll copy it, come back to Primavera P6 and I'll paste it here. I'll add the name of the third EPS, CSPB3. So as you can see, we are done adding the EPS names and ID as well. So this is the top level of this company. Can you see Skyline Infrastructure Group? So this one is the root, and this one is the node in this portfolio. This one is the EPS itself, and these ones are the sub EPS. This Transportation Division and Bridge Construction Unit. So we are done. I'm going to click here that says close. As you can see, we are done creating our EPS. So this is what I was trying to tell us. EPS is like a folder. Have you seen? So in our next video, I'll show us how to create WBS and the project itself. The meaning of WBS is work breakdown structure. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, drop a comment and share it with your friends and co-workers. Thank you very much. Thanks.